So, good evening, everyone, and if you all can hear me. Good evening, everyone, and I have to say, this is a really nice press conference. It seems like a conference, and because of it's so clean and neat, and this whole table, I'm really impressed, and it's really nice, and it's almost like we're all meeting to discuss something important over a cup of tea, and it is important for CPA to all of us to address issues and illnesses like cancer, AIDS, where we all come together, work towards our contribution, the little contribution that we can do in the manifest of a difficult, busy, scheduled life. And this is my very little contribution. My friend Shaina NC got this show to me 5 years ago. This will be my fifth year in associating with CPA and doing this show. As a designer, I don't do combination shows. Shaina is a dear friend, and also we both are coming here together for this cause. And one leaves all its rules and regulations when you're coming to do something for a cause. And I think this is a very, very this is a show with a lot of integrity, because the what we get out of this show goes to to the welfare of children, young children suffering from cancer. The collection that I'm presenting this year is all about handloom and textile. It's out there. A lot of designers have spoken about it, done a lot of clothes with it. But I'm proud to say that I've been doing a lot of work December onwards, and a lot of orders from my organization, my label, have gone back to Banaras, and the weavers are getting busier with a lot of my work. And so this show is a multi-purpose show where we're presenting handloom and textile, and work to the weavers, as well as all the contribution and what we achieve out of this show goes to the welfare of children, which is the most important thing, and my small little way of contributing to this by doing this show. So thank you so much for having me again, and the journey continues.
Thank you, Manish. It's really nice of you, and we are really grateful that you come out and support. And with your contribution, we like in the last year we've helped more than 35 children. So it's because of Shaina and Manish. So really we value your support and look forward to it year after year.
Thank you so much.
May I request Shaina to say a few words?
Let me start by saying that the true champions are Rekha and YK Sapru, the founders of Cancer Patients Aid Association. My father introduced me to this NGO when I was in school, I think. And he used to always say that if you give a 500 rupee donation, you'll know where your money went. And the beauty of an organization like Cancer Patients Aid Association is that Mr. YK Sapru, who used to head Johnson's, gave up every form of livelihood to dedicate his life to cancer. And Rekha Sapru, who actually speaks very well but chooses to stay silent, I want to say is genuinely a woman of substance. I'd like to also acknowledge Shelja's contribution to the show. Dave Jolly, where is he? Silently sitting there, who has supported Pidilite and Fevicol, have been an integral part of this show. Thank you, NSCI, for showing generosity, and hopefully this time for showing no controversy. And of course, I don't think there is a finer designer in this country than Manish Malhotra. Not only is he talented, but he's also a fabulous person. So the title of this show, Caring with Style, befits the personalities involved, I hope. We are going to have people from varied walks of life, a tradition we've been carrying on for over 20 years now with Cancer Patients Aid Association. The idea is also to show fashion on real people, all age groups, all sizes, and of course the best in fashion from Manish Malhotra's collection. There will be a performance of a singer as well. This show is not just about calling people to come and see a show and say disappear. It's for them to empathize with the cause. We all know about, especially the women, that the biggest battle we face is cervical cancer and breast cancer, both of which are treatable and curable. So I hope the people who come realize that glamour can have a purpose and be meaningful. There are, of course, attached to every invite donation slips, and I hope that Mumbaikars, as usual, will contribute, give, And as they say, there are givers and takers. The givers sleep well, the takers eat well. So I hope the audience comprises of lots of givers. Thank you.
Thank you, Shaina. And like Shaina said, she got introduced when she was in school and she's been helping us now for over more than 2 decades.
Yes.
And always there for us, doing every bit. So thanks a lot, Shaina. We are lucky to have you. And now may I request Mr. Y.K. Sapru, Chairman, Cancer Patient Aid Association, to say a few words.
Our members of the media, a warm welcome from Cancer Patient Aid Association. I'm feeling greatly honored to be sitting next to Manish Malhotra, whose dresses we can see but cannot afford to buy. Of course, Shaina is the one who one can go and request for a sari free of cost. We got the one old relationship. And Mr. Rakesh Malhotra is a kind person that we have seen because he has given us in the hall free of cost.
That was a clap. Thank you so much.
Now, these shows that we have, the fashion shows, very beneficial to us. That is CPA. In the last 3 years, we have done money to save the lives of 45 children suffering from leukemia, which is quite a lot because the treatment of leukemia is very expensive. So I think all those who are supporting the cause are doing a great favor to the work and the patients.
Oh, it's something we should all do. Some contribution. Yes.
I would like to thank everybody who has been a part for the last several years. This is the 11th year of the show. And Mr. Rakesh Malhotra on the hall, without which we would have to have the fashion show in Amsterdam and some other place. Manish has been kind because even to shake hands is an honor.
Please.
How sweet.
Very sweet.
No, I think
Thank
that
you so much. Thank
I
you.
think we should say to shake hands with you, Mr. Y.K.
Yes.
Sapru, because he's got the Lifetime Achievers Award in Delhi right now from the government. So I think that your contribution genuinely is worthy of claps.
And Shaina for the part of the family. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sapru. And once again, on
Add one thing before you unveil. There's a young girl here called Neha. She was the cancer survivor who walked at the end last time with Amir Khan. She's from Dombivli, if I'm correct. And she and there was one more person, Sakshi. Both of them had the pleasure of walking with Amir Khan because they're both real life stories of cancer survivors who have moved on. And I think we're going to have many such inspirational stories this time as well in the show. So I think it's an aspect you can look forward to.
Thank you so much.
Go ahead.
So, Neha, as a kid, she had this disease and she was held by CPA. Now she's out of it, but is ever willing to come out whenever we have an event. She even ran the marathon for us, with us rather. So she's always there and very happy to be at the events, and like Shaina gave this opportunity, so she's very happy. In fact, Manish, she's been saying, please ask Manish if I can walk for him.
Absolutely. For sure.
Thank you. So now can we unveil that?
There.
Wherever. Stand.
आ जाइए. ये क्या है? ये लड़ेंगे. ये लड़ेंगे. थोड़ा और आगे बढ़िए. जीतेंगे.
We'll have to just go little closer.
हाँ. ये है लड़ेंगे, ये जुड़ेंगे, लड़ेंगे, जीतेंगे. नहीं, उसमें क्या है? जुड़ेंगे, लड़ेंगे, जीतेंगे.
Dave, can you come here?
Neha, let Siluji come. Let Siluji come. एक सेकंड उनको आने दीजिए वो भी.
Everyone over here, please. Left side, ma'am. Hand here. Please look here, right side, your. Hello. Your right side. Excuse me. All of you right, please. China. Right side. Come straight.
गर्दन टेढ़ी हो गई.
Done? Thank you.
Thank you.
Patients and help them fight the disease and come over it. So there are the whole team with the kids will unveil.
Very right button. Correct.
And how clearly you said it.
Sometimes his voice is
Yeah.
clear, sometimes out.
So it cost 1 million fans on Twitter.
Then start reading about the show.
Of course, I will. 8 lakh on Instagram. And like the video I put up of Mishma has 68,000 likes.
Please tell me sometimes you elevate my non. Baman and his wife, that Parsi. हाँ हाँ पूछे पूछे
एक सेकंड
आप पूछे तब तक मैं जवाब दूँ.
Hi Sharmishta. No, 1 second.
वो आप आइए देखने. फ़िलहाल तो कैंसर पेशेंट स्पेशल है और मैं मानती हूँ कि ये शो का मकसद है कि ग्लैमर शुड हैव अ मीनिंग एंड इट शुडंट बी पर्पसलेस. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग आएँ, देख लें और साथ साथ समर्थन करें एक अच्छे एनजीओ का जो ना सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन महिलाओं के क्षेत्र में सर्वाइकल कैंसर और ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के लिए.
और एक इनवाइट के साथ एक स्लिप है जो कंट्रीब्यूट करेगी और बहुत से कैंसर पेशेंट्स की क्योर के लिए मेडिसिन और उनके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए जाएगी. एंड आई थिंक इसलिए ये शो बहुत ही अहमियत रखता है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट ग्लैमर, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट क्लोथ्स, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट people, it's or the celebrities, it's about the cause of it. And मेरे लिए also एक बहुत बड़ी खास बात यह है कि इस बार मैंने 10 years हो गए हैं मेरे लेबल को भी, celebrated 10 years to the label and also बहुत एक टेक्सटाइल और हैंडलूम की तरफ, ताकि जो हमारी डाइंग क्राफ्ट है वीवर्स की आंध्रा में, बनारस में, महाराष्ट्र में सबको वहाँ काम मिले एंड हम एक अपनी जो एक हमारी हेरिटेज है वो आगे चले. सो इट्स अ कंप्लीट हैंडलूम एंड टेक्सटाइल शो एंड it has a very very deep purpose. It's my 5 years association with Cancer Patients AIDS Association and हर बार हमारे शो ने काफ़ी पेशेंट्स को हेल्प किया है एंड सर्वाइवल एक बहुत ही अहम चीज़ है जब कैंसर का सवाल आता है. कैंसर बहुत जानलेवा बीमारी है एंड आई थिंक हम इस शो से
You want to walk?
कुछ पेशेंट्स को बचा सकें, तो आई थिंक इट गिव्स यू अ पर्पस। सो इसलिए ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट शो है मेरी ईयर का मेरे लिए।
So it's on the 20th, you and your wife. So your wife will have to get into your salary. मैं आपको करती हूँ, ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस खत्म हो
वेल आई थिंक CPA काफ़ी जो कर सकता है करता है, जैसे कि उन्होंने कहा मिस्टर सपूरी 18 साल से कर रहे हैं और वो दैट्स हिज डिपार्टमेंट, वो टेक केयर करते हैं। बहुत ही नोबल इंसान है, बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान है एंड उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ डेडिकेट की है इस पर्पस के लिए। और मुझे लगता है जहाँ तक वो क्योर करते हैं और एक बार कि किसी को उनके पाँव पे खड़े हो सके वहाँ तक लेके जाते हैं, एंड देन यू हैव अदर पेशेंट्स टू लुक आफ्टर, यू नो, तो वो एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है। जैसे नहीं इलाज होता है, ऑफ कोर्स एक उनके लिए एक छत्र छाया जैसी हो जाती है, एक टेकिंग केयर जैसी हो जाती है टू मेक देम केपेबल एंड केपेबल तो वो हैं, पर उनको एक डायरेक्शन देना, उनकी एक मदद करना कि वो और कुछ पा सके। पहली बात तो क्योर हो, और क्योर के बाद और बहुत कुछ अपनी ज़िंदगी के साथ कर सके। पर हर बार एक बार आयुष्मान खुराना, विद्युत जामवाल, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, फिर सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, सोफ़ी चौधरी, बहुत से मेरे दोस्त ये शो के लिए आए हैं, मेरे साथ रैंप चले हैं, इस शो के लिए चले हैं, कलेक्शंस के लिए चले हैं, तो उनकी सपोर्ट फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ हेल्पिंग कैंसर पेशेंट्स। तो आई थिंक बहुत से इस बार भी कुछ सेलिब्रिटी फ्रेंड होंगे साथ में टू हेल्प दिस होल एंडेवर, टू हेल्प दिस होल इवेंट लुक ग्रैंड एंड ऑल्सो रीच आउट टू मोर पीपल। मैं एक और आपको बात बताऊँ, ये शोज़ बहुत पॉपुलर रहे हैं यूट्यूब पे, इन्हें बहुत से हिट्स मिले हैं। लास्ट टाइम वी हैड अ क्राउड ऑफ 10,000, दिस टाइम वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग क्राउड ऑफ हमें लास्ट टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हो गए थे, तो इस बार हम लोगों ने इसे कम कोशिश की है, 5,000 तक ही रखें, बट इट इज़ वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट वॉच शोज़। मैं बिल्कुल डिसअपॉइंटेड नहीं हूँ गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ बल्कि, एंड जहाँ वो गवर्नमेंट का डिपार्टमेंट आता है वहाँ हमारी फ्रेंड चाइना इनसी आती है, जहाँ फैशन शो को और भी निखारना है, उसे बेटर करना है और एक इस पूरे इवेंट को और भी निखारना है, वो मेरा डिपार्टमेंट है। तो हम सब, और जो कैंसर पेशेंट्स की जो देखभाल है वो CPA टेक ओवर करता है, तो हम लोग एक फैमिली की तरह वर्क करते हैं। तो जो भी गवर्नमेंट की चीज़ें हैं वो चाइना इनसी हैंडल करती है।
सरकार अपनी दृष्टि से काम कर रही है। मुझे लगता है कि NGOs को अपने मायने में जो अपने पैरामीटर्स और अपने जो जुरिस्डिक्शन में आता है, जैसे सप्रू जी कैंसर पेशेंट्स एड एसोसिएशन के लिए 40 साल से टाटा मेमोरियल में काम कर रहे हैं, जहां उनको समर्थन की आवश्यकता है, हम सब खड़े हैं, लेकिन मैं मानती हूं कि थोड़ा काम समाज को भी करना चाहिए, थोड़ा गवर्नमेंट को भी। थैंक यू।